If you're working in the gig economy, whether it's driving for Uber, delivering food with DoorDash, or handling a mix of various side gigs, you probably know how chaotic it can be to manage everything. That's where Gridwise steps in. This app is designed to help gig workers track their mileage, earnings, and expenses all in one place, making your life a whole lot easier when it comes to staying organized and maximizing your income. The app allows you to sync all your gig apps in one place so you can see exactly how much you're making across multiple platforms like Uber, Lyft, Instacart, DoorDash, and more. It automatically tracks your mileage from start to finish, which is perfect for those tax deductions you need at the end of the year. Plus, it even gives you insights into the best times and places to work, so you're not wasting time sitting around or driving in areas with low demand. I love that you get real-time airport and event data, which means you can skip the long waits and head straight to where you'll make the most money. If you're serious about making your gig work more profitable, these insights are invaluable. On top of that, the app offers detailed statistics like earnings per hour, earnings per trip, and even insights into what other gig workers in your area are making. This helps you make smarter decisions about where and when to drive, so you're not just guessing what might be a good time to work. If you want to stay on top of things, Gridwise also lets you track your expenses and offers a simple way to generate tax reports. This is a huge time saver, especially when tax season rolls around. However, there are some downsides. While the free version of Gridwise is solid, to unlock all the premium features, you'll need to pay for the Plus subscription. For $9.99 a month or $71.99 a year, you get extra perks like access to flight details, custom airport alerts, and more advanced data on your earnings. While these features are great if you're making a full-time income from gig work, they might feel a bit unnecessary if you're only doing this part-time. Overall, I think Gridwise is a fantastic tool for gig workers looking to level up their business. It makes tracking your work easy, helps you make smarter decisions, and gives you insights that can boost your earnings. If you're looking for a way to stay organized, save time, and maximize your profits, I definitely recommend giving it a try. Plus, the fact that the subscription is tax deductible makes it a smart investment for anyone serious about gig work.